Tilly from Dirtbike Magazine, and for this edition of the 16s, we're going to take you through the 2016 RMZ 450. For 2016, the Suzuki RMZ 450 received minor changes because last year in 2015, the bike received a major overhaul underneath the surface with changes to the frame, the motor, and suspension components. The 2016 model received ECU updates for improved performance and a lighter front brake caliper from Nissan, along with suspension updates front and rear. The bike also returns with Suzuki's S-Hack launch control system and styling that has been the same for almost a decade. For the complete test on the 2016 RMZ 450, check out the October issue of Dirtbike Magazine, and for the latest off-road industry news, check out dirtbikemagazine.com.